Hey guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's in my kids' Easter baskets. Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Mrs. Mom's Homeschool. And today I am going to show you what I have for my kids' Easter baskets. Now I have 3 children, but I made 4 Easter baskets again this year. One of them is for my goddaughter. So I will be showing you an Easter basket for a 2-year-old girl, a 6-year-old girl, and a 6-year-old boy, and then a 10-year-old girl. As they get older, I find it getting trickier and trickier to make these Easter baskets. So our first Easter basket that I'm going to show you is for my 2-year-old toddler. This is the Easter basket that I found for my little girl. It's so cute. I got everything at Target from this basket except 2 things I found at the Dollar Tree. But it has a little tutu and I just thought it was adorable. So in her basket, I found a little Easter bunny sippy cup with the straw. Got a bunny rabbit Pez. Okay, so Alan, who's my 2-year-old, has a major sweet tooth. Like, this girl will eat candy for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So my husband brought home jelly beans the other day, and she's in the middle of potty training. She's doing excellent right now, but I would bribe her with M&Ms. So every time she went potty, she would get M&Ms, and then they transferred into jelly beans. But when we would give her, you know, 1 jelly bean wasn't enough. It was, I want a pink jelly bean and a blue, she calls them judgy beans. I want a pink judgy bean and a purple judgy bean and a white judgy bean and a red judgy bean. So I got rid of the judgy beans because I am not trying to have that child have cavities, because we just, you know, a couple days later we were going to the dentist and I was kind of freaking out because she said her tooth hurt, and I'm like, oh my god, she's got cavities because of the stupid potty training and the judgy beans. Turned out she didn't have cavities, she's just teething, growing her molar. But I got rid of the jelly beans anyway, and you know, I try to keep all the candy out of the house because she like constantly wants sugar. So I had to like get rid of everything with sugar in it. But you know, Easter is different. I'm gonna let her go crazy and then brush the crap out of her teeth. So Pez, a chocolate Easter bunny, because you have to have a chocolate Easter bunny on Easter. And then I got her some mini M&Ms. We were using M&Ms for potty training, so she loves M&Ms, and these are mini. And she likes that there's a little container and you can open it and stuff. And then, so she's been really into these YouTube videos. Like when I'm homeschooling, you guys know that I'm a homeschooler. I have, my 2 older kids are 6 and 10. And they have really like strong curriculum that I really need to work with them on most subjects. And so I don't always have time to do things with my toddler during the day. So I just kind of need her to get busy. So I put on educational videos for her on YouTube, but she knows how to change it. She puts those stupid videos on that talk about unwrapping candy and all this stuff, and it makes her want more candy. But anyway, some of them are good and some of them are cute, which she does watch, and some of them have these really cute songs. And you guys, if you have toddlers, you probably know mommy finger, where are you? So she likes to put like marker tips on her fingers and stuff. I'll show you a video clip of that here. And so I figured I'd get her some finger puppets to go with that song. And they're for the bath, so you can put them in the water. So she can sing her mommy finger, piggy finger songs with real puppets. Then I'm being quiet because I got this for my older 2 kids too, just a different type. But this is called Amazing Putty. And I saw it at Target. And there's a glare. There's a glare on it, but if you can see, it is unicorn putty, and it's color changing, and my M&Ms just fell. So there's different kinds, so I'm going to show you that unicorn putty because they're totally into making slime and stuff. So putty, sorry, my face is all up in the camera. Putty's kind of like slime, so you get to play with it and mold and all that stuff. So I think she'll like that, especially since I actually got it because her brother and sister have one. And then every time somebody has something, you guys know how it is. When one has it, the other ones want it too. So that's why I got her one too, and I got her the unicorn one. And then no Easter basket is complete without an Easter bunny. So I got her this soft little bunny from Target. So that's what's in my 2-year-old girl's Easter basket. So now I'm going to show you what's in a 6-year-old girl's Easter basket. And this is my goddaughter, and this is her Easter basket. Okay. Okay, so in this basket we have a gumball machine in pink. Her favorite color is pink. Some duo slime, since the others did get putty. I got her some slime. I didn't get her putty because her sleepover was planned after I got their stuff, but I did get her slime so she can play with them. Then I got her a jump rope with bunny ears as the handles, because every girl should have a jump rope. I think we should still know how to jump rope. Then I got her a princess cup with a straw. It's a straw cup, and it obviously goes inside. Oh, and look, I didn't even know that when I bought this, it lights up. That's pretty cool. I hope I remember to show this to her. I think it goes off by itself. Then I got her a solid milk chocolate $1 million chocolate bar. She's got a major sweet tooth too, like really bad. So I also got her a chocolate bunny. And I got her a little bunny to go with. Inside I just put colored straw. Got my pups here joining me. Say hi. Okay, so for my son's Easter basket, he is 6 years old, about to be 7. He's about to be 7, guys, on May 4th. So, but he's 6 right now. So he is getting a Batman fidget spinner, which is by chance. I actually found this by accident in a place it did not belong, and I'm glad, because I think he's really gonna like it. And it's cool because today he's actually been playing with his emoji fidget spinner that he has. He's been playing with it, so it's cool that he's gonna actually like this. I also got him amazing putty, but this one is chameleon putty, and it says it's chameleon metal metallic color morphing, whatever that means, and it's latex free. He's not allergic to latex, but it's on there, so I thought, you know, that would be cool to tell you guys. So then I got this egg full of candy. It has Laffy Taffy, Nerds, and Runts in here, and they're in their individual containers, so they're not loose. And he's got a little dinosaur bath bomb. I thought that was so cute to have a boy bath bomb with dinosaurs in it. He's been taking showers lately, and he's like, I don't want him to grow up so fast, so this will encourage him to take a bubble bath like a little guy. I'm having trouble, guys. I am. He's my baby. So then we have green. Green is his favorite color, and we have bunny with gumballs in here in green. Then he loves Roblox. He loves it. Like, that's his absolute favorite game. Like, when he doesn't have screen time to play Roblox, he's miserable. So he gets his hour of screen time every day, and he tries to spread it out between his Switch and his Roblox, but he loves Roblox. And around one of the times we were at Toys R Us, he saw these toys. Oh, he had his own money, and he didn't know if he should buy this or buy that, so I got it for him. So I got him a Roblox, Pizza Man. You know, if your kids play Roblox, they'll probably recognize these characters. To me, it's just like, I don't know, I thought it was cute. And Meep City Fisherman. Can you see that? There it is. Okay. And of course some bubbles. This was the first thing I bought. Bubbles. His favorite color is green, like I said. Okay, now for my 10-year-old Easter basket. And you know, going through these baskets, I kind of feel bad because I feel like my son has more toyish things than my daughter does. But then again, it was kind of hard finding things for her because she is 10 and she's going to be 11 this summer. So I hope that she's satisfied with, well, she better be satisfied with what she has in here. So I did get her also some gumballs in pink, because pink is her favorite color. And then I got her, she really likes, you know, squishies, and she used to collect Tsum Tsums. So this is a Tsum Tsum squishy. And then she also has one of these filled with candy. And she loves Tootsie Rolls. It's her favorite candy. So I got her big Tootsie Roll canister. Then she also has amazing putty. But this one is Blue Electric Hyper Blue Metal. That sounds really cool. So then we were at Target the other day and she saw this cup. It's actually a coffee cup. She doesn't drink coffee, but she saw it and she really liked this. So I thought I'd get this for her. She can fill it with hot cocoa or something. And then she's always writing on herself with her pens. Like she paints her, if you see some of my other videos, you'll see that she's painted her nails with like, she'll put like glue and glitter. Or she'll take marker pen and like she just does her nails and like colors on herself. So I got her some tattoo gel pens that are actually made to do that. And then she used to be really into Project MC Square, so she likes science experiments. She loves science and science experiments, especially the idea of chemistry, because she thinks you get to mix things and make things explode and create new things. So I got her this make your own bath bomb set. So I think she's really gonna like that. And then some bubbles, because I saw 3 bubbles the first day, even before I made the baskets, and I got them all bubbles. Okay guys, so that is what is in my kids' Easter baskets. So I got like 98% of these things at Target. I only got, I believe, the bubbles at Michael's, and then the Easter bunnies, the chocolate Easter bunnies, 2 of them, actually yes, 2 of them I got at the Dollar Tree. And actually the first Easter basket that you saw for the 6-year-old, all of the items inside that basket were from Walgreens. You know, saved me. I had 100 things to do today. I got everything done at Walgreens. So I got those all at Walgreens for her. So I will be posting a video soon on how to plan a fun Easter dinner, because we will be having Easter dinner here at my house. If you have seen in my previous videos, I hosted Christmas and New Year's here. I posted how to throw those parties, and I posted, well, you can see the videos on how much fun we've had. So now we'll be posting a video on Easter dinner. So I will first make one on how I'm going to throw Easter dinner, and then one of the actual dinner, so that you guys can see. We have a bunch of teenagers this year. I say this year because last year they were like all little kids, it feels like. But anyway, so you know, they're probably over the Easter egg hunt thing, so that's something I'm gonna do. Anyway, I'll talk to you about that later. So you gotta watch my next video if you want to hear the rest of what I was going to say. And then I'm going to also show you what I'm gonna hide in my Easter eggs and the Easter eggs that I bought. So stay tuned, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell at the top so that you can be notified when I post a new video. I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I did take a 2-week break to get some family time, but I'm back, and I hope that you enjoy these videos. See you later.